experts and educators. Welcome to the Creator Launchpad, where I help you earn what you're worth teaching what you love. My goal is to help you put your expertise into an online course so that you're not stuck always selling your time for money. I did that in the past, and trust me, having 50 to 80 one-on-one clients every week is exhausting. Not only will we be talking about courses, but we'll also be talking how to leverage social media platforms like YouTube to grow a brand and help you market and sell your courses. My quick backstory: my name's Lauren Bateman, and I'm a guitar teacher on YouTube. Now, it might surprise you that my degree is not in education or music. It's actually in biology and archaeology. I used to work in cancer research for a pharmaceutical company for many years until I got the bright idea that I was going to quit my job and become a musician. When I realized I wasn't going to be making a lot of money in the bars playing original music, I decided to start teaching out of a spare room in my apartment. Turns out I was pretty good at it, to the point where I was teaching one-on-one clients 6 days a week and completely burning myself out. So I said, this isn't going to work. Let me try leveraging other people's time. And I ended up opening 3 brick and mortar music schools, employing over 26 people. Now, if you've ever managed employees in your life, you understand how fun it can be sometimes. Now, while I was having all this fun managing employees, I learned that I really miss the teaching aspect of the business. I wasn't seeing any more private clients, and I said, I really want to start teaching again, but I can't be locked down to a specific location. So in 2017, I started uploading instructional lessons to YouTube. My first video launched with a whopping 1 view, which was probably me, just making sure I uploaded the video correctly. Later that year, I recorded my first beginner guitar course, and it was a good thing I started when I did, because in April 2020, when my brick and mortar business was completely shut down because of the COVID pandemic, I sold $16,000 in courses, which was the most money I had ever made for myself up to that point in time. And the crazy thing about it was I didn't even do a lot of work. It was my YouTube channel and my website that was doing all the legwork for me. I wasn't running ads, I wasn't doing promotions. It was really the content I was making that was pushing and driving these sales. So I said, instead of managing 20+ employees and dealing with whiny parents, why don't I outsource this work so that I can focus on the online business? And that was the right decision, because as of the making of this video, I've done over $2 million in guitar course sales online, and my YouTube channel has around 450,000 subscribers. My goal here is to help you get a piece of the billion-dollar online education industry. Now, I can't promise you that you're going to make millions like I have, but with the right skills and the right audience, there's a very good chance that you could make a 6-figure income, or even a multiple 6-figure income. Now, if you're excited to get your online journey started today, make sure to go to my website and watch the free training at thecreatorlaunchpad.com/training. I look forward to working together. I'll see you over in the training.